Quant is about to do a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. As you guys can see in yesterday's video, we were testing that 112 support level, and I mentioned the fact that as long as this support level were to hold, we could be looking for another explosive move to the upside. Right now, we are testing this crucial resistance here at 120, and of course, this is the fourth test, so we could be looking for a massive breakout pattern overall on quant to retest that overall level here at 144. I did want to mention a few things, of course. Number one, the fact that we are testing this area of resistance now with a very clean rejection candle breaking below. It's still a little bit too early to be entering any sort of shorting positions. Ideally, what I would like to see is another wick, and if we do close that 4 hour below this crucial level of 120, that would give a confirmation for a shorting position to the downside. We are entering, of course, in terms of RSI, that overbought area, so that's just something to keep in mind as well. But you can see from previous price analysis, we did have some wicks to the upside before actually breaking to the downside, and that's exactly what I'm looking for on quant. If we do see another wick to the upside and that volume isn't there, and we start to see multiple rejection candles on the lower time frames, that would give us that confirmation to at least retest these exponential moving averages before continuing pushing on higher. You can see that these levels of the EMAs has of course acted as a very strong support for quant overall, and right now we are focusing on the fact that these EMAs do not break. Of course, if we do see a break of these exponential moving averages and actually test that area as resistance, that will give us a confirmation overall to be looking for that shorting position. Ideally, right now on quant, of course, I am still looking for that shorting opportunity down to the $87 level, if not my major level here at 42. And the reason for that, of course, is the fact that after a large move to the downside, we tend to have a consolidation before pushing on further. This, of course, would be invalidated if somehow we can try to get above this 154 level, find it as support, and then the continuation. And the reason for that, of course, is because this is pretty much where the move set started. Looking at the hourly time frames, you can see that quant is pretty much trading above these exponential moving averages, and if you guys know from my previous videos, this is an extremely bullish pattern. When you have these exponential moving averages acting as support while we are retesting a resistance level multiple times, 9 out of 10 times you will see a break formation. The only thing, of course, that is a little bit of a differentiator is the fact that on terms of the hourly time frames, we are in that overbought area, so entering a long position right now is going to play a little bit more risky. Ideally, what I would like to see is that retest of these exponential moving averages and then the continuation. That definitely would help quant a little bit better in terms of the bullish mindset. But if we do get a nice clean break above and then find that level of support, that would be a beautiful area to actually enter that position overall. And I did want to point out the fact that, of course, this area of resistance here around the 120 mark has acted as a very strong resistance. As you guys can see from previous price analysis, that we've seen multiple wicks to the upside. So that's exactly what I'm looking for in terms of quant right now, is to see whether or not we can continue pushing on higher at this level, find that area of support, and then the continuation. As long as we don't see that, of course, and we do see another fake out, volume is going to play a very key factor in terms of this move set. If we do not see the volume on this breakout aspect of it, then we will not be entering that long position and actually looking to enter these shorts playing off the wicks. Looking at the daily time frames, so I did want to point something out, of course, is the fact that we are now testing these exponential moving averages for the 20. After a long time, this is the first time quant has tested this level. This can easily lead into another fake out opportunity and a massive dump, so keep a very close eye and see how this daily candle plays out. Of course, if we do get a strong bullish momentum, then we can possibly retesting that 144 because of the fact that this would be acting as a breakout confirmation and a double bottom formation. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.